I'm going to do a quick video of simple recovering of a 50s diner bench. So this is one of them. I got 4 of them all together, but this is what it looked like before I glued the foam on it. So I'm not very good at this, but I can kind of get by on simple stuff. So I like to show things that anyone can do, basically. So when I got a price on the interior for my van, I decided it'd be a good time to try to learn upholstery. So I got on Amazon and I bought basically the cheapest commercial walking foot sewing machine they had, and I've just been teaching myself. So I've learned a little bit from watching YouTube videos. So I'm sure there's other ways of doing this, and probably much better ways, but I'm going to show you my way that I've learned just from watching YouTube videos of other upholsterers. I just want to show you that most stuff on cars or furniture or house is really not that hard. It's intimidating, but it's not really hard. I'm going to, after I get this, I'm going to put another thinner piece of foam on it to kind of smooth it out. Okay, that's good enough. So this will kind of smooth it out. And this is just contact glue, where you spray it on both sides, give it a few seconds, and then stick them together. And you can get any of it. 3M sells some stuff in a can that's pretty cheap and easy. And you need a staple gun, but you can just use a regular one. I'm skipping a lot of stuff, I'm sure, but it's not really hard. It's not perfect, or it won't be perfect, but it ain't hard. Yeah. There. I think that'll be fine. Now, we'll get to sewing. If anybody knows, they're welcome to tell me. I'm assuming I'm doing something wrong or have something set wrong that causes that. I don't know, something I'm doing causes it. And I don't know if I should have more tension or less. Okay. That's it. It's crooked. Probably should have used red thread. It wouldn't stand out as bad. But let's see what it looks like. I think it will look good enough. Because we're really just polishing turds. Boy, it's crooked. Alright, I guess we'll staple it down and see. Great, by no means, but it's okay. It's a little off center. It's not great. But it's okay. So there is a quick way, very quick, recovering of a stool. And you don't have to be an expert to make it look decent. Hope you enjoy. All done. Didn't turn out bad for not really knowing too much of what I was doing. A little crooked on the stitches, but that'll probably get better in time.